Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. So as on the state of face on the don't know say a Capri, I'm gonna come back with a banger. So guys, I had just came home from dinner because this is my intro. I'm making this intro so late because like everything is just rushing. Like I cannot explain. Like I was just rushing to do everything because I don't have no help. Like maintenance took a little bit of time. Getting this dress on got me like everything was just rushing. So I had to rush out I did my face, by the way. Do you guys like it? Rate my face. I didn't have to go to no makeup artist. Like on my ear. It's so cute. Like the outfit is given. Also, as I said, everything was a rush, so that's why you guys are getting this intro so late, but you guys are still getting your video. So make sure to say wanna like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that look belly, turn it on too, okay? And don't forget to hit the subscription button. So guys, I'm about to go do, it's currently October 5th, and it's about like 11 o'clock in the night. I just came home from dinner and I'm just gonna go do my photo shoot because I really wanted a picture to be blown up with me so I can have it for a really long period of time. And I really like this dress, but I'm not really gonna show you guys right now, but I'm just doing a quick intro. I'm just gonna get into the video. I'm gonna go all the way like 20 minutes to go do my photo shoot, and she's actually waiting on me while I'm doing this intro. Baby, that girl squeezed me in. Shout out to her. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna refresh my makeup. Also, I'm also doing 3 things, so this video should include 3 things because I'm also doing 3 things for my birthday. I'm just doing dinner, club, and then yachts. I'm not going extra like I want it to flow out, but no, not flow. I want it to be in a hotel for a couple of days or whatever, but that didn't work out, so I worked with what was working out. So that's what's supposed to be in this video. So make sure to continue and watch and keep posted whenever I drop a video. So right now I'm just gonna refresh my makeup. I don't know, I watched the doll because cute and girly, very cutesy. So I'm just gonna refresh my makeup, guys. Like nothing too ridiculous. I'm not doing nothing too extra, nothing too ridiculous. So I'm putting on my foundation to make sure my face have a matte look. I'm giving my face a very matte look. Because right now my face is looking oily because I just had dinner. All these stuff. Y'all gonna see the difference when I'm done. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can call. Also, for this look, I'm gonna go for a red bold lipstick. It's my first time doing it. I'm always so scared of trying colors on me, but I'm a brown skin. Like, why am I even scared? I shouldn't even be scared. Like, why am I scared? I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. I don't know which color I should use, but I'm gonna go in with this one to just put it on the top. And then I'm gonna use my hand and try to rub it in. Like the way it applies on my lip, oh my god. It's so smooth, like I don't even have to do too much. But I look goodie. I look like a celebrity, baby. I look like Kim Kardashian. Oh my gosh, Shansi, I got nothing over me. Damn, that's so nice. So that's it for my makeup. I don't think I need nothing else. I'm not gonna put on the setting spray because I want my makeup to look matte. I don't want it to look oily or anything. I have really oily skin. I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for see what it is. Mom special? Oh, thank you. Hey guys, so I reached my venue for my photo shoot and I'm here waiting on her. She says she's 4 minutes away. So I will try to get some clips for you guys when I'm doing my photo shoot, of course. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned, okay? So today is the next morning, Sunday, which today's my yacht party, but it's raining and I think they say we're gonna get a storm. So I don't know how to feel, but I'm not trying to be depressed because I love staying home and sleeping. But I'm just hoping, because my yacht is 6 o'clock and right now it's currently 2 o'clock. So I'm just hoping by time later it gives me a break. So, because everybody want to be on this yacht. Like, my family, they be like calling me and stuff. So I hope it does work out, because today the storm doesn't actually start. It starts like down in the week. So definitely I can't go down in a week, but let's see what's up. I hope it stops though. So y'all pray for me. Hey, I didn't tell you guys that I was on my way to Office Depot. I'm trying to print my picture for my cups. I'm trying to do custom cups for my yacht. So I'm trying to put my picture on there, and I'm trying to do something different. Last year I had to do yacht, but this year I'm trying to do something different. So I'm right here at Office Depot outside. Rain is currently drewing. I'm aggravated as, but yeah, I'm gonna try to show y'all how I do it and whatever. But even though I'm so exhausted, I'm still trying to make this vlog. So y'all please leave a comment. Make sure y'all subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and tell a family member. I'll see y'all. Just a little update. I just got the stickers. Whenever I eat from morning, mind you, like always, like usual. So I'm gonna go to Taco Bell, get some tacos. By the way, I never tried taco before, but yesterday my friend let me try it and I liked it. Like it's such a good snack. It not really full my belly, but it's angry me. It's like it tastes so different. It's so nice. It's so new to me. So I decided I'm going back to Taco Bell today to get some tacos. And yeah, I'm gonna buy 2 different tacos. So I'm gonna try 2 different tacos. And after I'm done, I'm gonna go to Publix and order my birthday cake. Yeah, I'm so last minute. Like my birthday been gone from yesterday, and I'm just ordering my cake because I'm gonna do a bedroom photo shoot that I always wanted to do. Yeah, the little girl in me just won't let me be here. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I get from Taco Bell and what about. Y'all, I was so surprised because when I entered, it had KFC and Taco Bell in one, and I was like, am I at the wrong place? Because why outside said Taco Bell, but it's KFC. Anyways, I let my friend order for me, and I did not like the Doritos one, like the scrunchy one where you put name on and start make a bag of nice. I hate that one. Like I would give me like a what I said, I give it like a 4. Right now, my Doritos have vibe. I mean, I try for like that taco but it just never did a give. I think it was a shrimp one. So out of every taco, I like the chicken one more. And yeah, see the guys, I get one 4. Now I'm gonna move on to the wrap taco now. That is my absolute favorite from Taco Bell's. But this one was also, I think it was the shrimp one, but I really like the chicken one more. So again, I go downgrade that one here because I don't know. I just didn't like it. If it's not the shrimp, I think it's beef or a steak, something like that. I really do like the chicken one. So when I'm gonna try it again, I'm gonna get chicken. But that's what I had rated it, and I had take the audio out because my friend was talking to me in the background. So sorry for the voice over, but you know a big buck got down into this taco. So guys, I'm a pink girl. That's why I got some pink cups for my birthday, and then I put the pictures on there. But I might blink them so the girl will take the whole of the girl them and go on. I'll send you the location, so are you coming? Procure me and try to be early. I'm still late, like. I'll come and tell my boy, I don't have the money, you know. I've been no saying I have the money. Guys, so I almost finished my makeup, but I just need to rub off the baking and then that's it. Anyways, I'm late as usual. So I'm gonna need to show you some clip or some clip, but I can't really vlog right now because I need to get ready. I'm gonna need to pick up my cousin them, so I'm super late. So I don't know watch my life. It's go blend out. It's just bright for whatever reason. I'm gonna still have to go flat iron here and everything. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. It's currently 5:20, so by 6 o'clock we'll for reach. So I just left out and I'm super late, but this is the swimwears from Fendi. Anyways, tell me why I'm late. I'm going to stop and get gas, and my tank is very empty. Like That is so ghetto. Like, my tank is 0 0 because I've been on the road like 3 days straight trying to run up and down and do stuff, right? So I'm late as hell. They're gonna be mad with me because I'm supposed to be early. Why are you late, Capri? And I gotta fill my tank up because I always get my tank full. So it's gonna take me a little 5 minutes. Bye, y'all. I'll see y'all. I'll keep you guys updated, okay? I'm driving in traffic in rain. I don't know where we're going on a yacht. It must be heaven because it ain't Miami. But I'm on my way to pick up my cousins. It's gonna be 3 of them. 3 tickers, like, underneath for buy my shocks when I don't need my car, okay? Anyway, so that's what's up, guys. I don't really have a lot to say in this vlog. Y'all just make sure y'all watch the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and it's currently 6:12 right now. I should be on my yacht at 6 o'clock, but I don't know. If someone looks so pretty, you know, I'm overnight, so it took me a little while. It took me a little time to get this pretty. Yeah. But I'll see y'all. And every day.
You go ice cream sundae?
If you know I'm coming from around.
Cheese.
Alright then, boom, panic, give us like a puppy dog. And if they get the pussy, no, we know. No grass, no green.
On the move,
That long time, me say you are the love of my life. Girl, me not free up to be my wife. Me thinking your love till the day I die. Me thinking your love till the day I die. You rotate your waist with harmony. You mean it, you wanna be it. Make up sex is the best sex to me. One of the best friend. Make it. If I ever reach, set it time. Now to the crazy in addition, temperature turn up. 90 a turn, sin burner. But you never plan now, money me a wife. Me no like all the nigga like me no forgive. Some a feel a little better if me cheat with. Love I got for you. It's the love I got for you. Everybody likes Satan. Why not cheat? Happy birthday, your friend. One more year for them. One more time. Give thanks for life. Next year we do it again. Happy birthday, your friend. One more year for them.
Good morning, y'all. So today is the day after my yacht. It's currently like what, 11 or 12 o'clock. And today my birthday is still It's still going. Today my birthday is still going. I don't know why my eye red. I don't know why. So right now I'm gonna go back to Publix and pick up the cake that I had bought. And as I said, I did always want to do one bedroom photo shoot. So that's basically what we're doing for today, honestly. I'm not eating out from morning as usual. All I'm gonna vlog them and I never eat yet. I'm gonna try to get something to eat. Pick up my cake from Publix. I need to send my cake, man. Send my cake. Hello, I'm here for a pickup. Capri. Capri. That's not sprinkles.
I'm trying to show the sprinkles.
What is that silver? Something look like paper.
Is it silver something sprinkles?
No sprinkles are the. So guys, as you guys have seen in the previous clip, that's not the cake that I wanted. That's not the inspo that I was going for, but I'm still gonna work with it. But anyways, those are the gifts that I had got. My cousin had also bought me a Tory Burch sundae, but it didn't came like 5 days later, so I didn't get to add that to it, but it's fine. I just wanted to do this for some pictures or whatever memories. I had built my previous pictures also at Walgreens. Absolutely love them. Like, it came out so fire. The pictures were clear from Walgreens. I never expected that. But anyway, yeah, it was 3 of us setting up this room, and it took a whole lot out of us, not to mention the balloons that we keep sticking on the ceiling, and it keep just falling off. But we made it work. I'm telling you, like, that's the cake. I wanted sprinkles, silver sprinkles around it, but I don't know what they did. But yeah, just enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, I'm still trying to get some content for the birthday vlog here, period. So I'm just done the photo shoot that I always wanted to do, and today not today, because today was the 9th and my birthday gone from the 5th. I'm still make some content for you, so make sure you like, subscribe, and leave one comment, okay guys? Also, Friday I might go to this party, and I didn't get to wear my custom birthday outfit. It's a club party outfit. I never get to wear my custom outfit, so I feel like it's Friday I go up on the road so I can wear my birthday clothes. I didn't go nowhere. But you know, my hair done do and everything, my lashes and my nails done do. I feel like I'm young, so why not do road, because road is there for do, period. So yeah, so Friday I'm supposed to go to the club. So Friday me I go try if I get one of that black phone and my outfits and everything. I'm gonna do my makeup and everything, and then I go another video there, and then I make my outro, and then my video will be done. Make sure you say happy birthday in the comment section. I did my big one, guys. Like, what you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What you gonna get for your birthday? For your birthday? Literally did all of this on my own. But the gifts are from, shout out to Cheyenne. Shout out to whoever the Air Force is from. Shout out to Mia. Whoever did get my gifts from my Amazon wishlist. I really do appreciate it. And for whoever don't, I say it go next time. I'm not gonna bring no sugar and negativity from my YouTube page, but right now. But shout out to Cheyenne, Mia, and the person who get me the white Air Force, and whoever else did get me something that I can't remember. Shout out for whoever did come out for me for my birthday yacht, and make sure I'm enjoy myself. It was a vibe. So I'll see you guys Friday if I go to the party. So bye for now. Hey guys, sorry if I look like a mess right now, but I need to look like a mess. I just left work and I'm about to go to the club. I don't know what club yet, because I don't want to go to this club that my crew always keep going to. I want to go to somewhere different people, different place. So I just got my makeup done, but because my hair isn't fixed yet, I'm waiting on my friend to come and fix my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm thinking about some curls to make it look very different in my pictures. And if you think my face is white, it is not white. I just put the white baking setting. If you do makeup, if you don't know, I put a white setting powder on my face to keep it setting while my friend's doing my hair. So I hope y'all stay tuned. And today is currently Friday, October 11th. Yeah, I think today is Friday, October 11th. Yeah, it should be. So as I said, I didn't get to wear my club outfit, so that's why I'm really going to the club. I don't really feel in the mood right now, but you know what, we gonna make it work, okay? Because I feel like after this I'm not gonna do no more road. I'm just gonna be locked in, get the bag, save, and try to find some investments, baby, because I'm too young to be spending all this money. Like, I'm on my shit, okay? Guys, this is the outfit. It's a little tube top, and this is a skirt to go with it. Like, it's just giving a princess vibes. I don't know. Yeah, it's unique. It's a custom made outfit that I bought from Jamaica for like so much money. I don't know if I'm gonna match it with this bag or it's too much purple. I don't know. I'm gonna wear my purple Clarks also. I don't know, guys. Like, what do you guys think? I feel like, personally, feel like the skirt is just too puffy and doing too much. But hold on, let me show you guys. Then I'm gonna try to wear it with those Clarks. Guys, my friend angle my feet, angle my ear. My friend angle my ear, I'm angle my face. So guys, I'm super late as always. And don't watch all this so bright, guys. I'm gonna put my lip gloss over it and make it glossy. So I don't know if I can show the fit because I don't know if I'm gonna get blocked. I don't know if YouTube is gonna block me if I show the outfit. I'm so sorry for the running up and down or whatever, but I will see you guys, okay? I'll try to get clips of the party and everything so you guys can see what's up. Guys, I don't know if I'm me alone, but like, because I'm already so late to go to the party, I have to be driving so fast. Like, excuse about me, but I don't know who love me. But because I'm so late to the party, I have to be driving like literally so fast. And you know what I just realized, guys? The eyeshadow that I actually put over my eye, it'll give one purple vibes, and my outfit is purple. So we are going to serve in a bad so far. My lip combo eat like purpose floor, cause the lip combo and yam. Period. Guys, I was getting a better lighting for you guys. This is just a quick picture for a quick vlog video for you guys.
What you say?
Good morning, guys. So I'm currently driving to work right now. I got like 3 hours of sleep. I could not vlog when I got home last night. So today is what, Saturday? And I'm heading to work. So I run a risk with my life last night, people. Because tell me how me know me have to wake up 10 o'clock in the morning. I'ma reach home like something to 6. And I did not waste no time. I drop asleep right away because I say, hey, I'm a girl that don't play about her sleep. So I'm gonna drop asleep right away. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you know, for all of the birthday wishes, Instagram, WhatsApp, families, friends, thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Miss my friend Anga my ear, see? The girl Anglet. But anyway, guys, remember to subscribe and leave on comments. And if you like the video, make sure you like the video. Like, literally press the thumbs up button. I hope number 20 is more successful, more prosperity, more life, more wealth. I don't know, I'm just so excited to see what number 20 is gonna bring to me. and the doors that I'm about to open. This might be the end of my birthday vlog. It might not be the end of my birthday vlog, but I love you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah.